Welcome to this detailed explanation of the aluminum wire drawing process. Hello everyone, I'm Penny. Today, I will take you into the world of metal wire drawing to understand how a thick aluminum wire is drawn through a drawing die to become a fine and smooth wire. First, we select a suitable drawing die, which is usually made of cemented carbide or diamond, to ensure a precise hole diameter and a smooth inner wall. Next, we prepare a lubricant to reduce friction. Then, the aluminum wire is cleaned to remove any surface oil or oxide layers, and one end is ground to a point to make it easier to thread through the die. The pointed end of the aluminum wire is inserted into the entrance of the drawing die. The conical entrance zone of the die guides the wire into the deformation zone. After passing through the die, the aluminum wire is fixed onto the clamps or drum of the drawing machine. At the same time, lubricant is applied to reduce friction and heat. Once the drawing machine is started, the aluminum wire is pulled through the die. In the deformation zone, it is compressed and stretched, and its diameter gradually decreases. The drawing speed needs to be precisely controlled. Too fast may cause the wire to break, while too slow may clog the die. Often, multiple drawing passes are required to gradually reduce the diameter while maintaining a smooth surface. After drawing is complete, quality control is crucial. We use a micrometer or a laser diameter gauge to check if the wire diameter meets the standard, and a microscope to inspect the surface for smoothness and any cracks. At the same time, we regularly check the wear of the die to ensure processing accuracy. Multiple drawing passes can cause the aluminum wire to become brittle, so its flexibility can be restored through annealing. After cleaning off any residual lubricant, the wire is neatly wound and ready for use in electric wires, cables, or other industrial applications. Aluminum wire drawing is an art of precision processing, widely used in various industries. I'm Penny. Thanks for watching. To learn more about metal wire drawing, please subscribe to our channel.